Triple X. Yo, that kid. Why, pray now.
When you hear my phone a ring and a ringtone, it's a MoneyGram call with the tracking code. Me not to trust people, me roll alone, cause the pussy them fake like them China clothes. They tell her ask me my name, me say chop chopper. She say what's your address, me say money maker. The purpose of the funds to make my life better. Get to use tired for watch them family suffer. So I rather go hard than die poor. Can't take this hungry pain no fucking more. Light up a big spliff and leave this just alone. Pop a bottle for my friend and that pass up. So I'd rather go hard than die poor. Can't take this hungry pain no fucking more. Light up a big spliff and leave this just alone. Pop a bottle for my friend and that pass up. Clarkstone, it's a the real chopper anthem. Albertone, me see the chopper them. Louis V and straight chains, new clocks for we feet them. The chrome rims when you spin pon the crown, make yeah girl just a drop dead. Not try nothing funny, crew full of money, we put $1 million on your head. So I'd rather go hard than die poor. Can't take this hungry pain no fucking more. Light up a big spliff and leave this just alone. Pop a bottle for my friend and that pass up. So I'd rather go hard than die poor. Can't take this hungry pain no fucking more. Light up a big spliff and leave this just alone. Pop a bottle for my friend and that pass up. When you hear my phone a ring and a ringtone, it's a MoneyGram call with the tracking code. Me not to trust people, me roll alone, cause the pussy them fake like them China clothes. They tell her ask me my name, me say chop chopper. She say what's your address, me say money maker. The purpose of the funds to make my life better. Get to use tired for watch them family suffer. So I'd rather go hard than die poor. Can't take this hungry pain no fucking more. Light up a big spliff and leave this just alone. Pop a bottle for my friend and that pass up. So I'd rather go hard than die poor. Can't take this hungry pain no fucking more. Light up a big spliff and leave this just alone. Pop a bottle for my friend and that pass up.